I'm on Pepsi right now. I see them. Oh, fine. So I'm doing live unload. I mean live load. So I'm picking up my load. I see a lot of Teslas. Semi-truck Teslas for Pepsi. Look at them right there. Okay. Alright. That's not bad. I saw one just left too. Oh, that's a couple of them. We said though 5. I'm about to pick up a load that's like 45,000 pounds. God damn. Probably going to be like 80-some thousand total, man. That shit crazy. Pepsi with them Teslas, bro. I don't know how long it take for this, or how many miles you could get. He said though 5. Oh, that's what it. Oh no, it's not. Boy, it got a lot of them too. Wow. How much this shit cost? They got a lot of semi trucks, or the Tesla semi trucks up in here. Maybe I'm gonna apply for Pepsi out here, so I could drive the semi trucks. Tesla. Two right there. I need to go open my back. So we got a middle, the steering wheel in the middle.
Pepsi chicken, so that's a cool idea.
It is. Wait, so this side I gotta go to number 5?
Yeah, that's what I said. Park next to the Pepsi, the one against the wall on this side, park right next to him, and then go and check in at door 5.
Okay, alright. Thank you. To the office? Well, this I gotta check in and then go to number 5. So I gotta check in before I go to number 5. I'm trying to find the office. Well, yeah, I'm gonna ask this one. Where's number 5? Hey man, you know where the office is?
You gotta pick up or delivery?
Huh?
You gotta
Pick up.
right there with those trailers are.
Which one? Right there? Alright.
But next to the Pepsi.
Oh, next to him?
Yeah, so you can go behind.
But where's the office though? The office right there?
The office is on the other side behind those two trailers.
This one right there? Oh, those
Those two trailers are right there?
Yep.
Yeah, behind that there's the office. You gotta go
Alright.
inside there.
Alright. The 5. I can't even see 5. Let's say check. Well, back in number 5. I don't even see it. Oh, I got it right here somewhere. Transport check-in. I think 5 is right there. No, I'll be back. I'll be big. Alright, so it said when he pull up, and I go in. Alright, so I gotta wait for the driver on number 5 to be done so I could back in. Probably go to the bathroom, go use it for a minute. Okay, so now I gotta wait. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna go freshen up real quick. Oh. Thank you, man. Okay. Alright. I guess I could brush my teeth. 21. Alright, y'all. Alright, so he's done. Yeah, that's number 5. So, nah, man, I don't do that. I don't do it if I slow. It's backing up over crazy, yo. How you gonna back up in this small? You could have just backed up before you slide your tandems, because it should be good. But he got it though. Okay. Alright. Hopefully they load me early so I can leave, because they want me to deliver this load by tomorrow. Let me check the appointment. Let me see what time. Pepsi. So we gotta deliver tomorrow by 12 a.m. So that's not bad. Okay, I got a whole day today and then whole day tomorrow to deliver this load. So that's perfect. Look at that. 45,000 pounds. You see that? 45,000. Are you serious? I've been heavy all this week. Since last weekend, this week I've been hauling heavy. It's kind of annoying, man. Oh. I mean, I don't mind hauling heavy, but golly, whole time. I'm waiting for this guy to get out so I can back in. Got me ASAP, man. What my brother said. Are you local, regional, or OTR? I'm thinking about going local on December with Heartland. I'm gonna see how it is. And if you could give me that position, I'll see how much local making too. Oh, there he is. He came out. Now I gotta go back in. Oh, look at them Tesla coming too. Tesla. Tesla, man. There's a lot of Teslas out here. Driving in the middle. I don't know how comfortable it is. Look at that. I believe those that are driving it right now is like, what, like maybe 20 years, 15 years experience. Those are the ones driving it right now, I believe. Yeah, I'm about to struggle right now backing in, to be honest. Look at how, man, look at what it want me to back in that. Like, how the hell don't we do this shit? How the hell they want me to back right here? So I don't know. I don't think I gotta slide my camera, so I'm gonna just leave it like that. Oh. Man, Teslas. I I want to drive a Tesla. Semi truck. I'm gonna be sitting in the middle right here, driving that be. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all know when I'm done loading, cause I'm tired anyways. Yeah, my man asking questions. He ain't right there. And well, I just saw him with a Holland truck. He's asking the Pepsi Tesla guy questions. Probably trying to, he probably trying to drive the Tesla too. Look at him going. He's doing some investigations, man. I mean, I would like to drive it too. It don't look bad. I wonder how long it takes for the batteries to die. Yeah, he's done. Try to get him for him. Yeah, he's done with his questions. He going. I mean, yeah, it would be nice to drive Tesla, man. Yeah, it would be nice. It would be nice. Look at that. It's definitely gonna be local ones, Pepsi. Oh, it's in Sacramento. I live in Orange County. That's pretty far from where I live at. But I see it's a lot of Teslas. I've been out in this. There's a lot of Teslas out here in the Sacramento one. I know Frito-Lay got Teslas too, but it's pretty hard to get hired in those companies, man. I would be nice to drive Tesla. Right now they do mostly local because I believe because of the batteries and stuff, so they do local. Can't go far, can't probably drive maybe, I don't know how far I could drive, maybe 500 miles a day or something. I mean 500 miles on the battery. I'm not sure, but yeah. Most right now is all local because there's no sleeper in the Tesla anyway, so yeah, man. I'll see if I can get maybe one day I'll drive a Tesla. Semi truck Tesla. Alright, so they just got loading me, I guess. I'm 43,000 pounds. What the hell is that? Man, look at that shit. 43,000. That's that shit. Man, how the hell? 215. Alright. I gotta go weigh it. Every time you like 40,000, 30,000 around that side, you gotta go weigh your shit. Alright, let's see how far. So an hour 12 minutes. I'm gonna go wait when I get there. Tesla's everything. Oh, they charging this ones. See what it measure fire extinguisher is. No idling. Coming. I don't know, every time I step on my brakes, I be losing a lot of air. I gotta check it out. I don't know why. You see how it's going? I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, that's my brakes. What's that noise? That don't sound good at all, man. I don't know what's going on with my brakes. I don't like that. Oh, my door's open?
Yeah, I was like, door's open, and I feel it.
Ah, damn. Open it.
Maybe a printing sign.
Also differences.
Good to go, man.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, so he gave me a different seal. Now I gotta go write it down too. So I gotta write this one down just in case. 69 606 096 96 All right, it's time to go, man. Let's go. Now I'm gonna go get my, I need to go get fuel and then probably get something to eat and then continue my journey, man. Let's see how today goes, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm out of here, man. Peace. All right, so I just got some fuel at Lowe's, and then I end up getting like free shower. I don't really be getting fuel up in there. I always be going to Pilot, so I always get like free showers at Pilot, but they brought me to Lowe's today, and then I got free showers, so I decided to take it because I don't really be taking it, and if you don't take it for like a couple months or maybe a couple weeks, it just disappears. So I'm gonna just go take a shower today, man. Yeah. God damn. So yeah, man. Oh, I gotta reserve it. I forgot. Go to my phone and do that. So yeah, it's $16, man, for shower out here. $16. So it's like check in. These are showers ready. Camera will expire in 10 minutes. Right there. I got free shower, so I'm gonna go take it. Shower number 5, pan. All right. Like that. So cool. So shower 5.
Customer 51, your shower is ready. Please
That's me right there.
the shower
51.
line.
Wait, hold on. 2 1 7 2 6. Wait, is someone in there? Okay. What the hell? Shower number 5.
Pedro, your Arby's order is ready.
Sounds like someone is in there. Oh, there's nobody in there. Alright. So It looks pretty nice in here. So please use privacy latch right there. So yeah, man. Your pen will be active. Oh, they give you 15 minutes to be done with the shower right there. Look at that, they give you 15 minutes. So I gotta go. I need to go get out of here fast. Need to do my shit fast. Bam. Alright, yo. About to get in the shower, man. Look fresh. I'm out of here. Oh shit, 13 minutes. 14, I gotta be out, bro. They give you just 15 minutes, yo. Alright, yo. Peace out. Good, y'all. Hey, y'all remember yesterday when I picked up my load from Pepsi? I was like, I could hear noise coming from the back. Because every time I step on my brakes, I was losing a lot of PSIs. And I was like, nah, that wasn't normal. So, I mean, I didn't really know what it was. Because I did on my pre-trip and there was nothing wrong with it. And I woke up today, did my pre-trip. I went right here, checked my airlines, and then bam! I'm like, what the hell? Look at that. That shit broke, right? So I was like, okay, that's my trailer. That's my trailer airlines right there. So I'm like, yeah, that's the reason why I kept losing a lot of PSIs. Was the this one right here. So I went. Y'all see that? So it's broken in here. You see the half one right there? That's broken in there. And this one is broke out. So I'm like, every time I step on my brakes, every time I step on it, that's a lot of noise keep coming. I'm like, nah, this shit's not normal. It wasn't normal, so I'm glad I found out, because I believe it was cracked. It was cracked and it was still in there like that. It was like this. It was all the way in there. But I think it was like cracked. So there was a lot of noise coming out every time I step on my brakes. And then it finally came out this morning. I checked it. I called my dispatch, and then I called the what's the name? I called the breakdown service, and they told me to come to Petrol so they could get it fixed. So now I'm about to do it now. Yep. It's crazy, man. I had like 2 hours to get to my delivery, and now I drove. I had to come back to Petrol to come get the service. So I think it's the T is service, right? Oh, I see Petrol right there, but it looks like the service is right there. So I'm gonna go check it out, see what it says. Yeah, man, it's crazy, bro. It's crazy. Yeah, cause I knew there was something wrong with my truck. I know it. See, when you drive, you know there's something wrong with your truck every time. I know I was losing a lot of PSI every time I step on my brakes. It's a lot of noise keep coming. I'm like, nah, that's not normal. And then bang, y'all see that? It wasn't normal. So yeah, I'm gonna go see what it say. Yep. Alright, so after being out here for like around 2 hours, I just got a new one. Got it fixed now. Look at that. Some new Airline there. Probably gotta change the red one too. It's old, man. This one look pretty good compared to this old one. Well, so yeah, I got it fixed now. About to be on my way. So I took this one out here. Take it from this side all the way. I mean, it would have been easy to fix for me if I had those tools, but I didn't have this Airline. They had the tools to fix it anyway, so I gotta fix it. Oh yeah, man, ready to go. Got like 2 hours to get to my delivery, so it's time for me to go now.
said, now I'm finally free.